Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Cooking for the Family. I'm Dyvonne, and today I'm going to share with you this super simple recipe. As a mom who has raised my three wonderful children, I always had something going on with them for the summertime. This is a fun recipe to have for the kids during the summertime. 4th of July is around the corner, and so this is a quick meal, grab and go snack, however you want to use it to fit your needs. So I have 2 hot dogs here that I'm slicing up, and you can use 3 hot dogs. I'm using 2 today, 2 hot dogs, 3 hot dogs, and you can slice them up in slices like I'm doing. You can use all beef hot dogs, you can use turkey dogs. It really just depends on, which hot dog that you want to get. And so in my bowl, after I've sliced up my couple of hot dogs, I'm going to be using some Jiffy Corn Muffin mix, just 1 box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix. And this is going to make 6 of our hot dog corn muffins. You can double the recipe to make 12. These are also great for pool parties or just hanging out by the pool, going to the park or the beach. They pack up very, very well. Now to that, we want that little extra sweetness that you would typically get from a corn dog. So I put just a quarter of a teaspoon of sugar. I put 1 egg, and my egg is a large egg at room temperature, and I also put in some milk. I'm using 2% milk, and you can use 2% milk or whole milk, and that was 1/3 cup. So basically we're following that directions that's on the side of the box. The only difference is I went on and added that quarter of a teaspoon of sugar just to give it a little extra sweetness, to kind of mimic a little bit more of that hot dog kind of a taste. We're going to go ahead and blend this really well until your batter has smoothed out and you don't have any lumps. Now if you like using Jiffy Corn Muffin mix, I have a recipe for corn fritters using the Jiffy Corn Muffin mix, and I'll put that information in the description box below for your reference if you'd like to check out that vlog. I'm going to use 2/3 of the hot dogs that I sliced, and we're going to save that last third, and we're going to be sprinkling that on top. And if you want to cut your hot dogs into smaller pieces, you can cut them into smaller pieces. It's definitely up to you. I'm going to be cooking them in the muffin tins, and you can do it 2 ways. You can spray your muffin tin with some nonstick spray, or either you can use some of these cupcake liners. And because it's getting close to 4th of July, I decided to use these cupcake liners. They kind of reminded me of colorful fireworks going off. And so we're going to be making 6 of them. And this is the scoop that I'm using. This is 1/3 of a cup scooper. And so this is just my measuring cup. And so I'm going to be using this. You can also use an ice cream scooper. Works really good. I've used an ice cream scooper before. And you're going to be using all of your batter. You're going to fill them up about 2/3 of the way full. So you want to use all your batter and fill them up 2/3 of the way full. And then those extra pieces that we sliced of our hot dogs, we're going to just dab those right on top just like that. Now while I'm doing this, I have my oven is preheating on 400 degrees, and these are going to bake in the oven at 400 degrees for anywhere from about 13 minutes up to about 15-16 minutes. Check them at about 11 minutes just to kind of see how they're baking up. So they're ready for the oven. We're going to put them in the oven and let them bake up. Our hot dog corn muffins are out of the oven. They have baked up nicely, and they are done when they are slightly golden brown around the edges. And then when you put a tester in, the tester comes out with just a couple of crumbs. And then when we serve them up, these are our corn dogs. So when we serve them up, we're going to serve them up corn dog style with all the nice little fixings that go on the side. This first bite's for you. Now I'm going to give them a try. Wow, these bring back so many fond memories of being with the kids. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to show it some love, give it a thumbs up, and click share. Share this video with a friend or family. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can come back and visit me again in my kitchen. And remember, it's always good when Dyvonne is cooking for the family. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.